Hello, teacher. This week I am going to return to Riobamba to visit my family after a long week of class. On Saturday, we are going to have breakfast, to work, and go shopping for lunch. We are going to prepare cheaper. I am in the afternoon. I am going to play soccer while my friends on a synthetic field near neighbor. And I am going to spend more time with my family. On Sunday, we are going to visit an own we live in Guano, and we are going to eat tradition fritada front that we are also going to go to park to speed timer to tower after that. We are going to return to Riobamba. I am going to pack me bike to go back to Latacunga for university. In the evening, I am going to travel to Latacunga, organize a maintenance and rest for Monday because I am going to have a game. Thank you.